So in this video, you'll learn how to send audio messages on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the messaging app. And then from here, you want to start a conversation. So choose whoever it is that you want to communicate with. And then once you've selected the person, you'll then just come to the messaging area. From here, tap on the text box, and then you should see a record icon. So you'll see the record icon either next to the text box or even just on the keyboard. So what you're going to do is just tap on it once. From here, you'll tap on record and simply record the message that you wish to send to the recipient. So it can be anything that you want to say. And then when you're ready, you can just tap on stop, and then you can listen back through the messages. And once you're happy, just select attach or send, and then send the message to the intended recipient. From there, that person will then be able to receive and listen to the audio message from their end. And so that is how you can send any audio messages on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.